Because Doc Milan decided na magpa-hair salon tayo or magpa-hair spa, hair color. So we're currently here at Juno Hair. Then guys, papasuotin na tayo ng gown. So for today, ang gagawin natin is magpapa-firm tayo. Magpapa-hair color at saka, what's the other one? Hair treatment. So ayan guys, haircut pa lang, paldong-paldo na. Gusto ko na yung haircut. Ngayon, hi guys! Good morning! So ngayon, meron tayong agenda. Nakabihis kami and busy si Doc Milan. Huwag nating istorbohin, nagdadrive siya. So ayan, pupunta kami sa May Angeles, Pampanga para magpa-hair salon. Because I've been telling Milan, I want to change my look naman. So because I've been having the same look for like since high school. Since high school, I have the same look. So it's like let's do something for a change. So I was planning na once na dumating sina mommy and papa and Jano, I will be doing it with them. But what happened is guys, ang daming mga trabaho and if Jano and mommy will arrive, we cannot do it all at the same time. So nauna na kami, sabi ni Milan, let's go today. So let's go there. Let's see what they will do to me.
Let's do something different.
Let's do something different daw. So I will see what will be the different thing. I'm thinking of coloring my hair but it will be dry kasi. So let's see. Let's ask the professionals what they will do with me. And I'm with Kathleen. Hi Kat! Ayan. Ayan ang kapatid ko. And ang baby Ivan is currently sleeping. So ayan guys, pupunta na kami doon. So babalitaan ko kayo. Hi guys! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Juno Hair and kasama natin si Brother Zed. Hi Brother!
Hi!
Nice to meet you guys daw. So, ayan guys, because Doc Milan decided na magpa-hair salon tayo or magpa-hair spa, hair color. So, we're currently here at Juno Hair para i-avail yung treatment nila. So, ayan guys, let's see. Then guys, papasuotin na tayo ng gown. So for today, ang gagawin natin is magpapa-firm tayo. Magpapa-hair color at saka, what's the other one? Hair treatment. So ayun, tatlong bagay yung gagawin nila sa atin ngayon. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Bakit lo high-fi ba tawad siya? Jone, they hardly do one. You have experience with the English highlight? No.
No?
Before, they colored my hair. Probably high school. And then very long time natural. And hair ribbon December.
Yes. This color is
natural.
natural.
Yes, natural. My natural color. So ayan guys, tingnan nyo, si Sir Zed is currently checking yung aking buhok. Tinitingnan niya ngayon. And sinabi ko na nagpaliban nga ako last December sa kanya. So, kina-check niya siguro kung strong yung buhok ko or what. Are you checking if it's strong? And I have hair loss. Hair loss. So much hair loss. Because pregnancy, right?
Right.
And then I'm having a lot of hair loss recently. So, ayan guys, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging end result nito. I'll update you later. vlog. I'm taking videos, so I have vlog.
Okay. I hope you guys could give us a quick feedback. We will do our best.
Thank you so much for accommodating us and meeting us.
Oh, thank you for coming here. Yes, thank you.
We are only here for vacation. So,
Oh, really?
I was like, let's do it one time.
Oh, where are
Let's
you guys
try.
normally at? What do you guys do?
We are from India.
In my country.
Ah,
This is my baby.
very far.
Yes, India. So we are here for vacation. So we are here for documentation.
We come here for work only for 1.5 months.
Really?
We have some project going on here. So we just like, okay, she's been pregnant for like 1 year already. So like, okay, let's do something for ourselves.
All right, then I gotta put some special mission to Mr. Zen.
Yes.
오늘 이제 여기 인디아에서 오셔가지고
We have 2 channels.
특별한 메이크오버를 좀 원하시는 것 같아요. 좀 아주 특별하게 좀.
We have one.
I'm giving him a lot of pressure on the shoulder.
Because I will vlog you, so they will see. Oh.
We have 2 channels.
Yeah.
We are vlogging one in India
Uh-huh.
and one for Filipino people.
Okay, so I hope it blows up in India. So we're expecting a lot of customer from them, huh?
Or maybe we can open franchise in India.
All right, why not? Yes, we're open for. We have a Global Juno right now, open for the whole East Asia. Yes. 자, 우리
So, ayan guys, kinakat na po yung hair natin. And then, after this one, kuya, anong pangalan mo kuya?
Nathan.
Kuya Nathan and si Brother Zed. Ayan, hello ka kuya. After nito, i-shampoo na tayo na kuya. Oh. So, una daw, ikakat muna yung lahat ng mga dry hair. And then, i-shampoo na tayo. And then, after that, ipa-perm na ba? And then, i-perm tayo. So, tatlong ano yung kinuha ko sa kanila. Una is, magpapa-perm tayo, magpapa-hair treatment, tapos magpapa-color. So, tatlo. So, ayan. Pinag-e-experimentohan na yung buhok ko. So, ang sabi kasi ni Milan, guys, actually, meron talaga akong plano na dalhin din dito yung mga biyanan ko. So, ang sabi ni Milan sa akin, mauna ka na kasi walang magbabantay kay Ivan if ever na pumunta sina Mommy and Jano dito. So, ayun, una na akong magpa-experiment ng buhok. Tapos, dadalhin ko sila Mommy and Jano dito kapag dumating sila this coming July. So, ayan guys, babalitaan ko kayo. It will take 4.5 hours daw bago matapos ito. And papakita ko yung baby ko, tinitingnan ako. Oh. Hi, Ivan! You're looking at Mommy? Huh? Who is doing Mommy's hair? Anak? Who is doing Mommy's hair? Ah? Very handsome, no? Oppa. Ah, Zed Oppa. Very handsome, no? Ay, si Kat daw, magpapa-haircut din siya later on. Pero bantay muna kay baby Ivan. Ayan guys. Pinakain ko na din ang baby ko. Magsasnacks na lang siya later para hindi siya masyadong magutom. And then, ayun. Okay naman yata mag-breastfeeding every now and then kapag nagugutom siya. So, ayan. This is my treat to myself naman. Lagi na lang ako nagtatrabaho. Ayan. Balitaan ko kayo later. So, ayan guys. Haircut pa lang. Paldong-paldo na. Gustong-gusto ko na yung haircut. Ngayon, saan tayo pumunta kayo? So, magsha-shampoo room tayo. Tara, pasok tayo sa shampoo.
Gujarat.
Ayan. Yeah. Tara, shampoo ka na natin. Ay, uso ba ka? Guys, so, shampoohan na daw tayo. So, tignan niyo yung shampoo room nila, shampoo area nila. Ayan, no?
Colder one.
Kahit ano. Cold mas maganda para ano.
Now Kathleen is also doing haircut here. आज और Kathleen पटिंग गई वाल कपावार वो Kathleen કેમ છો
કેમ છો જી સોમનાથ
Ano ay Ilan? Ilan?
So, ayan guys, nakaupo na tayo dito. And, nagkakaroon ako ng problema sa buhok ko. Kasi, ang nangyari is, nagparebanan ko last December, no? So, ang naging problema is, baka daw hindi maging 100% na successful yung perm. Pero, iti-try daw nila. So, ayan, pinapatry natin sa kanila kung kaya ba or hindi. Guys, tingnan nyo naman ang asawa ko. Napaka-supportive, oh. Tingnan nyo, pinapatulog si Ivan. Habang ako dito nakasalang for my salon. Ayan, oh. Bait-bait naman ni Doc. Alo, John, Kathleen. Alam, Koreana na ka, Tignan niyo naman yung kapatid ko, guys. Oh, nagpa-haircut din siya, oh. Oh, kay Zed. Siya yung stylist, oh. Diba, bongga. Bagay mo naman. Mukha na ba akong doon niya? Pinaperm na po tayo. Kukuryantin na si ate. Para naman akong kinukuryente dito, guys. Oh. Daming pa ganyan. Parang alien, ah. Bored? Bored ka na?
I'm not bored.
Let me hold you, man.
Are you sure?
Bored?
Are you sure?
Oo.
Okay.
It's Daddy's turn. No.
No, anything that you like. Anything that you can like this?
What? Ayan na po, sinasalang na yung buhok ni ate. Okay ka lang dyan?
Okay lang.
Guys, kamusta? How do I look? Bagay ba? Good. Very pretty. Thank you so much. Let's go take photo.
Oh, yes.
Hi. Thank you so
Nice
much,
hair.
Zed. I love it so much. Thank you, Juno Hair. Thank you so much. Natin, kamusta naman? Thank you so much kay Zed, our stylist. Ang ganda-ganda. Gustong-gusto ko. Hindi na ako magpapariban lagi na later. I like it so much. No, Milan? Aside, unlike ribbon, I like this because there's volume sa hair. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much. 7 oras na kami dito. So, uwi na kami sa bahay. Milan, how was it? How was your experience? Good but costly. What about Kat? Kat, you look like Korean now. Eh? John. Hi guys! So, tapos na kaming magpa-perm and magpa-salon. So, ngayon, it's time for us to eat our dinner. Ayan. Nagpunta kami dito sa may Juno Hair. And ayan ang kapatid ko. Gandang-ganda naman. So, tara guys, pasok na tayo. Mag-mall tayo. Kain tayo ng dinner natin. So, balitaan ko kayo.